Today I'm showing you my dress, winter dress, how to pair your dress with accessories. So let's get started. So first, after all my skincare, I'm just putting my sunscreen. So I'm using this sunscreen 50 PA+++. So I think this is best. And now primer. That's it. So I'm using MAC primer that you all knows. So now my compact Studio Fix. So guys, do you know, in this video I'm going to tell you how to do contouring. So I'm wearing black, so I'm doing brown and black mix. So this is a brown pencil. I'm taking my MAC pencil and I'm putting this on my eye like a liner kind. This is my white kajal. So I'm putting this. So let me put my mascara. Today I'm using Revlon mascara, so I thought let me try this also. Done with my lower lash as well. That's it. Now brows. So this is my brows, and now I brush my brows. See, I've combed. I'm using this my hula blush, so मैं इसी से contouring कर लेती हूँ. So this brush, this tick, so a little bit here, and now here, just here and here. See, and my nose. Here and little here. So now here. So let's blend this. Here it goes. See, can you see the difference? So अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि लाइन कैसे स्ट्रेट खींचनी है, so what you can do this, and here it is. ये तरीका है कंटोरिंग का कि आपका बेस्ट पार्ट कौन सा है. हर एक का अलग लेवल आता है. फेस का कट जो होता है हर एक का हर तरीके से आता है. लाइक दिस यू कैन डू योर कंटोरिंग. सो see, I've done it, and now blend here. This is your jawline. You can see This is my, I can see my jawline like this. See this here. You need to cut your face like this. That's it. And now गाइस मैं क्या करती हूँ बेसिकली जो पिंक ब्लश है पहले मैं दिस इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर माई बेनिफिट सो थोड़ा ब्राउन टोन ज़्यादा ना हो जाए तो इसलिए मैं इसको पहले पीच टोन करती हूँ और मैं नोज़ so see the pink is here now. What I can do, this is also from benefit the blush my brown tone up. Now I do little brown here because I told you na I'm wearing black and I'm doing little brownie makeup today. Here, so now this is done. So highlighter, on my lipstick and here, that's it. And the best part, lipstick. Let me make an outline first. So now I'll take lipstick. Now this is my lip injection, so I'm putting this also after this lipstick. So I want to little plump my lips. See? And the last, take your brush and blend everything. That's it. Let me do my hairdo now. Ta-da-da. See guys, I'm ready. So this is my chain and this is my earrings. And I'm wearing this, my dress, my accessories, and can you see my bow? Da-da-da. Here it is, like see my boots. Da-da-da. Bye guys. See you on next video. So keep watching and style with Bhawnaa. Follow me in Insta and subscribe me on YouTube. Till then, bye bye.